show that 1009 square minus 81 equals to 1,018,000. Now, how do we show this? I'm going to work this out from the left to get the right solution. Now, from the left-hand side, that is the LHS, we have 1009 square minus 81. Now, for us to apply the difference of two squares algebraic identity, we must express 81 as a square, that is as a perfect square. We need to express 81 as a perfect square also. So we have this to be 1009 square minus 9 square, because 81 is 9 times 9, and that is 9 square. Also, you need to recall that a square minus b square, that is the difference of two squares of the algebraic identity. A square minus b square is a plus b into what? A minus b. Now, comparing this, we have, it means a equals to what? A equals to 1009. And what's the value of b? B is equals to 9. So in this case, for us to get the value of this, then we use the expression at the right hand side, since we know the value of A and we know the value of B. So let's substitute. Anywhere we see A, we put 1009, then plus the value of B, which is what? 9. Multiplied by what? 1009, then minus value of B, minus 9. So in this case, what is 1009 plus 9? That is 1018. Into bracket what? Now we have 1009 minus 9. That is 1000. So now we have 1018 multiplied by 1000. What do we have? That is 1,018,000. So it means that what we have at the right hand side, we achieve that. We work this from the left and we achieve the value at the right. So it means that this is equals to the right hand side, which is RHS. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.